how we can change an assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence. For this, you need to know the definition of assertive sentence. In the last class, we have already discussed assertive sentence, which declares a statement. Assertive sentence, it declares a statement. Suppose the sky is very clear. The sky is very clear is an example of assertive sentence. Here what we find: subject, verb, very, then adjective. Then we can write the structure here: subject plus verb plus very plus adjective. You must mark the structure: subject plus verb plus very plus adjective. Now go to exclamatory sentence. It expresses certain feelings of mind. Here you can mark, that means sorrow, pleasure, etc. Exclamatory sentence discusses the feelings of a man or a woman. We can clear it by giving examples. How nice the flower is. How nice the flower is. If we write the structure, what may be the structure here? How plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus this. Now we will discuss how we have changed. We have changed through the structure. We use the structure of the given sentence, then we can change the sentence automatically. Now change it. The sky is very clear. Now there is subject, verb, very, adjective. This structure: subject, verb, very plus adjective. Now we can use this structure. Then what can we do? We can exchange how with very. Then we can start from here. We can change this very with how. How, then adjective. This is adjective. How clear. Then subject. This is subject. How clear the sky is. Then you will have to use the note of exclamation, that means this side. Otherwise your sentence will not be correct. How clear the sky is. The assertive form is the sky is very clear. Exclamatory sentence is how clear the sky is. What we have done? We have done two important things. That means we have started from the right part of the sentence. Where you will find very, you will start from there. That means very is equal to how. Then we have written the adjective clear. Then the left part, subject plus verb, subject plus verb. Then note of exclamation. your sentence will be changed automatically. To make it clear, that means we can give another sentence. The man is very nice. How can you change? How nice the man is. How nice the man is. This is assertive sentence. This is exclamatory sentence. This is one structure. There is another structure also. Look at this. You are a great hero. You have seen or you have understood that it is an example of assertive sentence. This subject, verb, a, article, then great, then noun. We can write the structure here. Subject plus verb plus article plus great plus noun. How we will change this into exclamatory? What a great hero you are. You are a great hero is an example of assertive sentence. Then if we change it into exclamatory, the sentence will be what a great hero you are. Then what is the difference between this sentence and this one? The only difference is that means in this sentence we have started with how. We have changed very into how. But here if you see article before adjective, that means article plus adjective plus noun, then what you will do? You will have to start with what a n plus adjective plus noun. You will have to start this. Then we can make a structure here. What a plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. This is the structure. What a plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. You are a great hero. Now we have changed what a. Firstly, we are not starting with how. If you find an article, you will start with what a. What a great hero you are. Perhaps you have understood the complete facts here. To do well in transformation, basically if you change an assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence, you need to know the definition and structure. If you have much idea about the structure, then you can do it easily. And at home you will practice daily to be expert in transformation. If you like and if you think that you are benefited by this video, you must subscribe to my channel. You may share for others also. Thank God.